stop.
Yeah. Whoa, a lot more than 5. There's a bunch of them. See them?
Those are not hawks.
Some of them are. Not the black ones, but the brown ones are hawks. Those 5 or 4 right there.
Oh, you might be right. Oh, wow.
Those are hawks, but there was a hawk.
Where are they going? Where are you guys going? Something. Oh, 'cause the fox. There's a fox. That's right.
Is it dead one? Is it dead?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Somewhere.
I think it's across the street. Bitch.
Go see.
Let me start talking.
Wow. It's somewhere. Unless they ate it already.
I think we ate the ones.
Oh, I don't feel well at all.
One of them was brown, and it had a yellow beak. It flew from way over here, from that tree. It was bigger than those. It was a little bit bigger than those. Like twice as big. It was big.
So was it big?
So big it could probably like pick up a baby.
Scared them all away, but they're coming back. Where'd y'all drop that? Don't poop on me. Oh.
Don't pout.
Why don't you fix that?